Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy Tcore using your metamask or Trust wallet. Remember, this is the first meme coin on core blockchain, and it's going to be super bullish. So make sure you secure your own slot. Now, for you to buy Tcore, you need the contract address, and this is the contract address. If you don't see it, you can just type CA, meaning contract address, to the group, and bot will reply you. Let's see. You can see it replied me immediately. So I'm going to copy this, then I will add to my metamask. I've successfully entered my password, so I'm going to unlock the wallet. This login. Yeah, and here is the wallet I want to buy the Tcore to, and as you can see, I have about $1.5 worth of core on my account. Now, the easiest way to buy Tcore is you using the core coin to purchase the Tcore. Now, I have 0.5 core, which is half of core on my account. The first thing I will have to do is to add the Tcore to the coin list. How do I do that? I'm going to click on import token. After doing that, we have the right token address. The contract address I copied earlier, I'm going to paste it there. So, and every other information should autofill. Supposed to be autofilled. Yeah, you can see everything has been autofilled. Tcore and decimal is 18. Then I'll click on import. Yeah, I've successfully added Tcore to my account, as you can see. So the next thing is for me to buy the Tcore. So in case you don't have a core on your wallet and you want to get it, so this is how to get it. You can buy on any exchange, and all you need to do is just to click on receive here. Click on receive. And click on receive, you can see you copy this address. Then you withdraw to this address from the exchange you want to buy from, or from anybody that's willing to sell to you. Meanwhile, beware of scammer. Nobody is to be trusted on Telegram, please. So that is it. Having gotten the call to your account, now you click on these three lines. After clicking on it, you select browser. So after selecting the browser, after selecting the browser, then this is my default address. So I will have to change it to www.icecreamswap.com. www.icecreamswap.com. So I'm going to load it up. Creamswap.com. Then I will load it. www.icecreamswap.com. icecreamswap.com, and you can see. So this is the page we are going to be using to swap our core. To swap for our Tcore. Now you click on connect. So it asks you which of these. Then you select the MetaMask. After selecting the MetaMask, make sure this also is on core blockchain. If it's not, you select core here. So you select core. So having done that, then you click on trade now. So it is loading. Now you see yourself on this page, and as you can see, the balance on my core is showing. Now the next thing is for you to just do the normal swapping. Click on that ice and search for Tcore using your contract address. So you can just paste the contract address once again. So it's going to ask you to import it. Then you go ahead and import. Set the display tolerance to 3%. How do you do that? You click on here, then you input the 3 here for easy swapping. Then in this case, I want to use 0.4 core to swap for this 0.4. Sorry, 0.4. Yeah. So, and for that 0.4, I'm going to get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.4 million units. So I'm going to click on swap, confirm swap. Then ask me to confirm. So I have to confirm this. Just loading. Now transaction submitted. So I have successfully bought the Tcore. As you can see, I now have 0.09 core. You remember I have 0.5 units, and I use about 0.4 units. So then I have 4.3 million core, meaning that about 1,000 was deducted from the swapping. I think maybe for network fee or whatsoever. So that's how to buy Tcore. And for you to locate your Tcore, click on this line again. Then click on wallet. Then you see your Tcore right here. You can see. So the same thing if you want to sell too. You go there, make sure your Tcore is at the top and core is at the bottom. Then you swap. That means you are converting the Tcore back to core. As simple as that. So far I've taught you how to buy Tcore. I've taught you how to add Tcore to your wallet, and I've taught you how to fund your core. So the easiest way again to buy Tcore is you use a core to buy Tcore. So you don't need to breach anything. You don't need any form of stress. Just go ahead, buy Tcore core from any exchange or individual that you trusted. Then you use to buy Tcore right in here. So, and that is how to use what's it called, the metamask to buy